Welcome to Type Flow, where I'm documenting my daily journey of self-improvement. Right now, my primary focus is on learning touch typing, and I'm excited to share my progress and experiences with you. Yesterday was an intense but rewarding day. I spent almost 3 hours practicing. My main goal was to get comfortable with the keyboard, really feel the placement of the keys, and train myself to use all my fingers correctly. I worked on typing basic words, which helped me lay a strong foundation for the skills I need to develop. Today, I'm moving on to the next step, practicing simple sentences. My plan is to dedicate 2 hours each day to typing practice, 1 hour in the morning and another in the evening. I believe that with consistent effort, I'll be able to reach my goal of typing at 70 words per minute in 60 days or less. It's a big challenge, but I'm determined to stick with it and keep pushing myself every day. If you're on a typing journey too, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments where you are in your touch typing experience, whether you're just starting out like me or already typing at lightning speed. What challenges have you faced? How did you overcome them? Do you have any tips or strategies that worked well for you? I'm always eager to learn from others and improve my skills, so please feel free to share your experiences. Also, if you have suggestions for improving my speed and accuracy, or if you know any useful websites or resources that have helped you learn touch typing, drop those in the comments too. Your feedback is invaluable, and I'm always looking for ways to get better. If you're enjoying following my journey or find it helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more daily updates. Your support means a lot to me, and it helps keep me motivated to stay consistent and reach my goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.